Hey, what's happening, folks of the interwebs? It's Pete with BackDraft Bikes, and today we're going to be putting some crash protection on this old girl. Let's go. So if you remember correctly, I got this 21 Road Glide and we put the turbo on it. And this is a lot of expensiveness on the side that would take the brunt of it. And so, oh, hold on everybody, look who's here.
He's gonna add more expensive stuff. Crash bar, probably setting back a couple of grand.
No,
Anyway,
it's not Honda.
Have to use them, but just in case he does, he's smart.
Thank you, Grandpa 5000.
We're gonna need a bigger hammer, but
oh yeah,
Harley, we're gonna enjoy.
Oh, here it is. So here's the deal. What do you think of these? Beefy?
They are very beefy.
Yeah. These are from a new vendor that I'm working with, and we're going to throw links down in the description. But the name of the vendor is called Mactions, and they make specifically for... Are you mocking me?
Oh no, of course not.
He's jealous of my new beard.
Mine's coming. Just wait for it. I just need a little more manure. She'll come.
So Mactions sent me a set of these to try because of the fabrication that we're going to need on this bike with the turbo.
Dude, I can't even bend it.
I know. That's you
Good
need
stuff.
Real man. We're gonna get these on the bike. We'll kind of go through getting them on. It's a great alternative to some of the other aftermarket brands that are out there, and it's way cheaper than what they sell at the Harley dealership because we know what HD stands for.
Yeah.
$100.
Yes, sir.
Hey, no phone calls on company time. All right, the first thing we got to do is take the bags off. And these bags are super easy. Harley-Davidsons are amazing for... Would you get away from those parts?
I can't help myself. It's Harley.
Never invite a guy that likes gold wings to help you.
I don't have to make
Blink twice if you're not safe. So Harley makes these things super easy. Basically just take those off. Your saddlebag comes out and I'll see you in 10 seconds. Aren't these saddlebags super easy to take off, Darcy?
Oh, I went to college 4 years. I can't even get my Honda one off. And the little baby seat off.
I like having a narrator here today. This is kind of nice. There we go.
Who said that was hard? I can do it. So can a caveman.
Then there's these two bolts that hold this seat on.
Get ready. Here it comes. Ta-da! Side cover. I got a pinch bar. Will that work?
No.
No pinch bar.
Buck, buck.
Oh, ooh, look at that. Oh, there's three little wing wongs that hold it on.
Here's the piece, and what we're going to do is we're going to fit it in just like this, and we're going to end up cutting this bar right here because we have to attach this, so this piece isn't going to be used anymore. So I'm going to just take a marker, and I'm going to mark it right around in here with some tape, and then I'm going to use the cutoff wheel. I'm going to slide this over, and it bolts on the top here, and it bolts right there. T45. Safety first.
Always. I hate riding with a Cyclops.
You have two eyes.
Yeah, for a good reason. Here we go. One giant step for Harley, closer to the junkyard. I'd never do that on a Honda. What the?
9/16 to the back of this with a T45. And I've got a big file. We're going to deburr it. What type of file is it, Darcy?
It probably.
Don't say it.
Bastard file. All right, I'm too excited here. Here we go. Yeah. You can use sandpaper, anything like that that'll take the burr off. Sweet.
The only instructions these things come with is right here. And it basically tells you to take this spacer and put it here, the throttle side of the bike, which is your right-hand side, to space this out because of the swing on it. Tight fit.
Yeah, that's what you want.
Yep. It's tighter than a tick on a teddy bear. And shot. There we go.
You put some grease on her.
Yeah, sure, Bob. Right about there.
Looks like it might fit. Guess I didn't make that on a Monday.
Loctite.
Loctite.
Make sure you put some Loctite on this thing. Rattles a lot. And I love the sticks.
You could be
because you
sitting
can
on your
just-
butt. That should hold it down.
Well, this piece won't.
Where's your hand? Oh, okay. Here we go.
Little Loctite on there.
On a stick. Just like in school, eating glue.
You're not helping your cause, Darcy.
Yeah, well, this body isn't the shape it is because of not having glue, I'll tell you that right now. All right.
So we're going to put our spacer in.
The spacer in it.
There's no way that bolt's going to fit now.
Uh-oh. Wait a minute. I think the longer ones came with it.
Did it?
Think so.
So there's one thing you do need to buy, and it is a new bolt, unless the new kits come with them. Mine did not. I checked the box, thought maybe it might have fallen out, but I couldn't find it. On the throttle side, they give you a spacer, and they give you these instructions to tell you what to do. That spacer goes in here, like this. The problem with that is the factory screw that you pull out of the frame is way too short. So this is a 3/8 with it by 16 pitch, and I bought an 1.5 inch long one, which is just about the right size. It's a little bit long, with a stainless steel washer. And we're going to use that to go through the frame, through the spacer, and attach to the nut on the other side. All right, the next thing is you got to put the seat in with the little spacer on it. And I'm putting this in, and I'm noticing that this angle of the dangle is a little off.
A little.
Because of the spacer. I fit this without the spacer in, and it seemed to fit perfectly fine, but there's not enough room if you don't put the spacer in between that and the brake line. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on and then just tweak this a little bit with raw American muscle.
You're going to need my help. Look at the guy's way out of shape. All right, stay tuned.
All right, I'm going to put Loctite on these as well. Got my little Loctite glue stick. Tighten this up. That's an interference nut anyways. Probably don't need Loctite, but whatever.
Hey, sorry he did that. He muscled it by throwing his gut on it. Seemed to do the trick, whatever it takes.
Okay, so that's what it looks like. Get the spacer on. Got the top piece on. It's pretty rugged. We're going to put the bag on now.
Here's Pete putting the bag on. No swear words.
There we go. There it is.
Who said I was slow?
Put your hands down.
Yeah.
If you're in the
in.
audience and you think Darcy's slow, go ahead and leave a comment down in the section below. They come with these little things that stick out, and you can put those on, and that looks fine if you want like the super low profile look. But I really like the roller skate wheel look because all the cool kids are doing these nowadays. So these go in. They come with a CNC aluminum piece, and basically all you're going to do with these.
Throw them around. Here, let me get that for you. Oh, it's a long way to Tipperary. Okay, here we go.
You're getting stiff in your old age.
Yes.
The first thing I want to do is make sure we put some Loctite on this, because these things rattle like crazy. There we go. And then the wheels.
The wheels. German. The wheel.
They go in like this. Okay? So the piece goes in like that. Then this piece goes in like this.
And it goes back to the song. Little darling.
These are 10 millimeter.
Screw it on.
These are 10 millimeter hex. There we go. And when they're tightened up, these still have a little bit of a wee. Let's go skating, Mom.
If it strips out, you back off too.
Exactly.
All right, don't forget to put the gluey on the, so it doesn't fall out, because nobody likes following Harley that's losing parts, right, Pete?
Yeah, no one likes riding and following a Goldwing that's
What the easy?
given birth.
Ooh. Went to the next ride. It won't be pretty. That's amazing. It's done. I love the roller skate.
This will protect if you do a slow speed crash in a parking lot like I almost did at the last time I was out. All right, now the left side. No explanation, let's do this fast mode. Take off the bag.
You ready? Ta-da! Get the cover off, throw that away.
There, yeah, just
Measure twice, cut it once. Or you'll regret it. You'll be in the Harley shop getting welded.
now cut it.
Got it. You ready for sound effects? Ta-da!
9/16 T45. Take off the top one.
Take off the top one. Wait, booger check.
Looks good.
It's fair. Can't see it from my house. Don't forget Loctite.
Loctite.
Screwing her in the bottom. Should always get your bolts in before you tighten them up.
That's right.
You'll save yourself a lot of agony.
Tighten up the back bolt first. Unless you're Darcy, then you can just leave the bolts out. That's pretty rugged.
Yeah.
Let's put
You sure?
this piece on first.
Yeah. Don't forget Loctite.
Loctite.
Sing the song, you know what it is.
Righty tighty, lefty.
No, little darling, screw it up. All right, put the bag on.
Come in, Tokyo. Okay, this is what they look like done. They look awesome. And they definitely are beefy enough to provide some protection if you were to lay this down. You can see they stick out enough. So I wouldn't necessarily say that those would be good for like a high-speed crash, but definitely in a parking lot, which is probably when you're going to dump your bike anyways. All right, now we're going to move on to the front section, which this is the piece. And essentially, these two niblets right there are going to be lining up right here. And then the bottom two bolts are going to be going down here. But because I put a turbo on this, this is going to be in the way. So I'm going to take this air cleaner off and we're going to dry fit this and see what it looks like. All right, I've got the air cleaner off, and then this is a T30. So we'll just undo those real quick. It comes with new bolts with washers, and you know what you need to put on these?
Sticky, I forget what they call it.
Loctite.
Loctite.
Okay, the lower bolts right here, T45. And I'm just using a ratchet because it's super tight. Second bolt on the other side, right here, T45. They give you two new bolts that are stainless hex heads with washers in the kit. So we're going to do these. Guess what we got to put on them?
Bluetooth.
Loctite.
Loctite. Loctite.
Get it mounted up there. Come on.
Talk to it, makes it go in easier.
Get in there.
Get in there, force it.
Or no supper for you tonight.
Again, I think I get used to it, but I don't. Uh-oh.
And then you just tighten those two up and put the roller skates on. And now we just got to fit our air cleaner back on, which isn't going to quite fit because it's too close to the bar. It's not going to quite fit because it's too close to the bar. So I have a solution for this. I'm going to...
Next morning.
I ordered a high temperature silicone sleeve to fit from the turbo to a 90-degree aluminum mandrel bent, and then an air cleaner. Look at that thing. Protected. Looks pretty awesome. Yeah. And it sounds even more like a fire truck now. That air cleaner makes such a big difference. So thanks for tuning in today for an exciting video sponsored by Mactions. Again, the Links are going to be in the description. Let me know if you find this useful. Again, the dealer wanted $650 for the front and $650 for the back.
That is way too much.
It's a lot of money. So you can get these for about $200 a set. It's
So, save your money and go to McDonald's. You'll do one.
take it easy and ride safe.